When is it okay to break confidentiality? When it comes to legal internships and clerkships, confidentiality is a key principle. But when is it acceptable to break that confidentiality? This is a question many law students and interns grapple with. Let's break it down. Confidentiality means that any information about a client or case you learn during your legal work should not be shared with anyone who is not authorized to know. This includes everything from client files to conversations and emails. Keeping this information private is vital for protecting client interests and maintaining trust in the legal profession. However, there are specific situations where breaking confidentiality is not just allowed, but required. The model rules of professional conduct outline these exceptions. One major reason to disclose confidential information is to prevent harm. If a client talks about plans that could lead to serious injury or death, you may need to report that to prevent the harm. Another situation is if a client is planning to commit fraud that could cause significant financial damage to someone else. In this case, you may disclose information to stop that from happening. Additionally, if a law or court order requires you to share confidential information, you must comply. If a client accuses you of wrongdoing or sues you, you can reveal necessary information to defend yourself. Also, if you need legal advice about your own conduct, sharing some confidential information may be permitted. Lastly, if the client gives informed consent, you can break confidentiality. It's important to note that state laws can also provide exceptions to confidentiality. Some laws allow for disclosure in specific contexts, like administrative matters, but usually with strict guidelines. For law students in internships or clerkships, it is essential to treat all information as confidential. Avoid discussing client details in public or on social media. When talking about cases in class, use anonymized references like Client A. Always store documents securely to prevent unauthorized access. If you are unsure about whether to disclose information, consult your supervising attorney first. Breaking confidentiality is a serious decision. It should only happen when there is a clear ethical or legal reason to do so. Understanding these exceptions is vital for managing confidential information responsibly during your legal training and future career.